Are you ready to start earning passive income and building wealth, all while owning virtual real estate? What if I told you there's a platform you can turn your digital assets to real-world profits? Sounds kind of intriguing, right? Today, we're going to be doing a deep dive into Upland, also known as Upland Me, a virtual real estate platform that's making waves in the world of passive income and financial education. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know if Upland is the right investment for you. Before we get started, let me know in the comments if you've ever invested in virtual real estate, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any tips to grow your wealth. Alright, so what is Upland? Upland is a blockchain-based game that allows you to buy, sell, and trade virtual properties that are mapped to real-world locations. Think of it as Monopoly, but for the digital age. It uses the EOS blockchain to ensure transparency as you earn a native currency called UPX. And the coolest part, you can trade those virtual assets for real-world money. That's right, virtual real estate that transfers into actual earnings. I think Upland's great because it doesn't require any KYC or ID verification to get started. All you need is your email so you can get earning within a minute. And then after signing up and even getting a bonus with my promo code, you will be provided free UPX. And that is what makes Upland a game changer. When you first start out, you're going to be provided the opportunity to purchase one of these FSA properties that are specifically for starters. You're only able to purchase 10 per account. Once you own a property, you start earning passive income like UPX. As you can see here, for about the past hour, all these different properties have earned this bit. The more properties you own and the more strategically you invest, the more UPX you can earn daily. This is perfect for anyone looking to diversify their passive income streams. And it's pretty good for active trading too, if you like to buy and sell properties on the market. Let me know if you love to earn money while you sleep. Over here, you can see there is a send NFT. There's actually two. So what you do with these is I am able to send my little explorer over to here with one of these send options. And with that, you're going to collect more of your sends, which I will show you the purpose for real soon. Now, I'd say a big thing that sets Upland apart from everyone else. It's not really just a game. It's actually connected to the real world. As you can see, all these streets here as we zoom out. And you can buy virtual versions of actual streets and neighborhoods. If you wanted to own a slice of downtown Manhattan, now you can. Well, virtually, at least. And what does this mean? Because it is only connected to real-world properties, there's only a set limit to the amount of properties that actually can be created in this game. So that makes it so there can be fluctuations in prices in the game, and properties do appreciate much easier. And as we can see here, we have the whole world to go explore, so the opportunities are almost endless. But Upland isn't all about serious investing. It's actually almost fun. Upland offers a whole variety of different ways to keep you entertained and earn, like missions. As you can see, there's all these different missions that are going to pay out the UPX token, and all these ones that we have completed and invested already. They also have collections, where if you meet the required standards for the collection, for example here owning 3 different properties in 3 different countries, you are going to get rewarded with some UPX tokens, and they will also permanently boost your indefinite rental income. Upland also has racing contests that you can enter. You can purchase NFT cars, modify them, sell them, race them. You're also able to create stores and social lounges for people in the metaverse to go to. People buy and sell NFT clothing. They have sports memorabilia. For example, I've collected a couple of NFTs just for free over time here with different crests, logos, there's jerseys, there's players, there's so much that you can participate within, which is one of the reasons it really has been one of the top performing crypto apps or crypto games since it hit the market. Just to be noted, UPX is always pegged at 10 to 1 to the US dollars. So as you can see here, no matter what you do, 1,000 tokens is going to be $1, 5,000 is $5, 50,000 is $50. Now the one thing to be noted is that if you are accessing Upland through your browser, when you're looking at properties nearby to purchase, you are able to purchase them just with your USD. For example, here, want Josephine Street. That's a pretty good one for $3. You can buy this, and then I will sit on it for a while, and when I feel like it, I will sell it at a slightly higher price and just continue to grow my portfolio. And just like that, it is that easy. Now, if you're on the mobile application, everything else still works very well, except for the one aspect that you can only purchase properties like these, where the purchase price is in the UPX token. Some general pros and cons when it comes to Upland would be: pro number one, there's a super low barrier to entry. You can start with just a few dollars or even for free if you want, and your portfolio will grow over time. So it's perfect for beginners. Pro number two is it actually offers genuine passive income, set it and forget it kind of income, where you can own properties that are going to earn you income, but there is no maintenance involved. You don't have to find a tenant, you don't have to deal with all the legal procedures. Another big pro would be Upland is extremely community driven. Upland has an active community that's always willing to help newcomers. You just access the chats, there's many chat groups for new traders, and sometimes the very experienced veteran traders they'll go out of their way to help out a newer person by providing them with a cheap property or two, or showing them some tips that can really help them along their journey. Con number one would be there is a bit of a learning curve with Upland. Like any other investment or game, really, there's a bit of a learning curve, especially if you're a little bit newer to blockchain or virtual real estate, but with a little bit of time and dedication, that will be behind you and you will be a pro before you know it. The other con I would say is market volatility. Just like the stock market, the properties values, they can fluctuate, but all in all, I've only really seen a trend of appreciating value on these properties. So how does Upland stack up against the competitors like Decentraland or the Sandbox? Well, these platforms also kind of focus on virtual real estate. Upland stands out with its user-friendly interface and real-world mapping. However, Decentraland might appeal to those who are seeking a more fully immersed 3D Metaverse experience. Out of all of them, Which platform do you think is the best for passive income? Drop your thoughts down below. Now, I personally have been using Upland for just over 2 years now, and my take on it's a pretty fantastic take on virtual real estate, and it's a really good way to dip your toes into the world of it. When I personally started, I started with a modest investment of $30, and from then buying, selling, and just accruing and participating in events, completing achievements and quests, my portfolio has grown quite significantly. So, is Upland worth it? In my opinion, yes. Especially if you're looking for an innovative, low-risk way to earn passive income. All in all, as Upland continues to integrate new features, develop new sections, and grow as a whole, I would rate it a 9 out of 10. However, like any investment, it's crucial to start small, persist with some research, and stay consistent. Now, if you're ready to start your Upland journey with me, click the link in the description and sign up. Make sure you add me up on Upland. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Alright everybody, until next time, stay smart, stay curious, keep traveling down your road to financial freedom one step at a time.